Hi there, trumpet players. This is your video lesson number 7. I hope you have your trumpet ready to go with the valves oiled. And I hope you have your red Standard of Excellence book nearby. Let's start out with some long tones, like we always do. Best way to start out, we're going to play a C, hold it out for a whole note. That's 4 counts down low, no valves. Ready, and... Good, let's try a D. Valves 1 and 3. Ready? Hold it out. Next, let's go to an E. Valves 1 and 2 for a whole note. Play. First finger for an F. Ready? Play. And now a G, no valves, up high, hold it out. And we're going to stop right there. Let's go to page 40 in your lesson book. It's clear in the back where it's green shaded. It says accelerators for trumpets, cornets only. Page 40 in the back of the book, the green shaded page. And I'd like for you to look at number 97A. This is page 40, number 97A. This one has lip slurs. Now, we did lip slurs in previous videos. Best exercise for trumpet players to do. So what you're going to do, you can see there in the first 2 measures, we're going to go back and forth between G, C, G, C, G, C, G. Then we're going to go on to the next measures where it's second valve, F sharp to low B, all second valve. You won't have to move your valve at all. Then the next 2 measures are F, which is F natural first valve, to B flat. We're going to go back and forth between those 2 notes. Let's try this. This is number 97A. Listen first. It should sound like this. Let's try that together. Ready? 97A from the beginning, G to C. Ready? Play. Now the second valve, only second valve. Ready? And... First valve, F to B flat. Ready? And... Excellent exercise for trumpet players. We'll stop right there and go to the C scale. Let's do the C scale. Remember, this one starts on C, ends in C, goes in order of the notes. Let's review that with fingerings together. Ready with me? C, D, E, F, G, A, B second valve, C, then B, A, G, F, E, D, and C. If you feel that you need to look at it in your lesson book, it is on page 22, number 88. I bet you could do it on your own. Let's try it. Here we go. Ready? And... There you go. If you got all the right notes, oh, that's wonderful. If you need to try it again, you can pause the video and try it again. Then let's turn back one page to page 39. Page 39, it's also a green shaded page. It says accelerators at the top. And we are going to look at number 39 on this page. This one goes back and forth a lot between 2 notes. helps you to develop the technique or the ability to get your fingers moving on the trumpet. Look at 39. The first two measures go C, D, C, D, C, D, C2. Do this with me, please. We're going to start on the third measure where it goes D to E. Ready? D, E, D, E, D, E, D2. Continue. E, F, E, F, E, F, E2. Then here we look like spider fingers. D, B, D, B, D, B, C2. There you go. Like I said, this is an excellent exercise for developing technique or the ability to get your fingers to move onto valves. Ready? Here we go. Number 39, C to D. Ready? Play. D to E. E to F. D to B. There you go. If you need to practice that again, you can pause the video and do it again. Let's go back, clear back to page 15, back towards the front of the book, to page 15. And on this one, as soon as I get to page here, put this down, page 15, let's look at number 59. It's called Laughing Song. Now notice in this one, we have 2 beats in a measure, and your rhythm goes like this. It goes C, C, C2, C, C, D, D, E2, E, E, F, F, G, F, E, E, D, C2. Quarter notes, 1 beat. Half notes, 2 beats. And then eighth notes go twice as fast as quarter notes. They each get half of a beat. Let's try number 69. Ready? Here we go. And there you go. If you got it, great, fine. If you need to do it again, pause the video and try it again. I say that all the time. Okay, let's look also at page 15, number 60. This is called Star Search. This is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Notice in the first 4 notes, you do not need to put any valves down. It's C, C up to high G, G. Let's do those first 4 notes. Ready? Together and good. And then it goes up to high A. Let's read the letter names and do finger practice for just the first line. Here we go. Together with me, please. C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C, G, G, F, F, E, E, D. That's enough of reading the letter names. If you can do that, you can do the whole thing. Let's try it. Here we go. So remember, it's low, low, high, high. 1, 2, and ready, play. Next line. go. If you need to practice it again, pause the video and do it again. Then let's turn to page 17. Page 17, just turn one page. And let's look at, let me see, number 69. It's called Channel 3. Notice in this one, you have 3 beats in a measure because of the time signature. The top number tells you 3. Also, we go to a note that we haven't used yet today, right here on the 3rd line, but there's a flat sign out here, which means this is first finger, B flat, first finger. Okay? Let's read the letter names and do finger practice at the same time. Please, with me. Ready? F, E, D, C, D, E, F, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, G, A, B flat, A, G, F, 2, E, F, 2, 3. The nice thing is, this does go in order of the notes. Just make sure, dotted half notes, remember those are the half notes with a dot beside it, they get 3 full counts. Let's try this together. 1, ready, play. And I noticed there is a repeat sign at the end of this one. So that means you should pause the video and do it again for the repeat. All right, let's continue, please. Let's go down to number 71 on this one. Nice thing about number 71, it's called Brother Martin. It does not go very high at all. Notice again, 3 beats in each measure. And notice that you have a half note, then a quarter note, half note, quarter note. Now, what you want to make sure you do is make your half notes twice as long as your quarter notes, okay? Let's read the letter names and do finger practice. It goes C2, D, E2, C, F2, D, E2, C. We'll stop right there. I guess you get the idea. Half notes twice as long, and those quarter notes just 1 beat and done. Let's try this together. From the very beginning, both lines. 1, ready, play. First line when you went from an E to the first note on the second line to the A, you remember you don't have to switch your valves. They're both 1 and 2. If you need to practice that again, please stop the video and do it again. Let's continue with The Little Fish. Oh, we did this one in another video, so we should be able to do this one, right? Just remember, you have C, C, E. It goes quickly. This is number 72, The Little Fish. The first 2 notes go like this. I think I said the first 2. I meant the first 3. It goes C, C, E. Try it again with me. And then here, about halfway through, it goes C, D, E. Let's try that. Moves in the order of the scale, but it's 8th notes, so it goes a little quicker. So it goes like this. Listen. Try that with me, please. Ready, play. Now, most of the rest of this is even quarter notes. Just make sure you get your 8th notes twice as fast as your quarter notes, and then you have a couple of half notes, which get 2 beats. Let's try this from the beginning together. 1, Ready, play. Okay, there you go. This ends video lesson number 7. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.